gonna be very surprised if this thing works. Look at that call button, that's actually new. Oh my god, it does work. This is gonna be interesting. Look at this hoistway door. Holy shit. Almost every single inch of it is covered in graffiti. Oh, hello. Oh, it's actually not that bad in here. There's actually minimal vandalism inside the actual car. I forgot it did that already. Holy shit.